Well, we have the exhibition hall that opens at 11, Caroline, and so many exhibitors, more than 100, and one of them is a flood break here. Take a look at this contraption. I'm here with Mike Graham, and I was just, what does this thing do? It's pretty cool.
It is really cool. So it's a demonstration model of a system that you can bury in the ground in front of, let's say, a garage in a hotel, and when the flood water rises, the unit actually automatically comes up and blocks the flood water from totally flooding like a whole garage under a hotel. So if you're an architect or an engineer, you got to be here to see this cool demo, and we represent a lot of other flood-proofing products, so this is the place to be.
How many demos are you going to be doing? Just one, or is it throughout the day whenever you...
At each, this one will be like every half an hour, and if somebody walks up to the booth, we could turn it on and go.
Man.
But there's other exhibits that have demos, so you got to come down.
I want to see it in a few.
Cool.
All right, thanks, Mike. Also, we have things like these, apparatus for lighting here, and we have also tents. And also, Doug, come on over. We have Hybrid Tower. These towers for all your signal needs that you need. And these guys came in from Tennessee. And tell us, what is that? What does Hybrid Tower do, Doug?
Well, we replace a traditional light tower with a environmentally friendly unit that uses the traditional generator, but it's got solar and lithium batteries in it.
Nice. So kind of like the Tesla of towers.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And so there are thousands of these. When you see a hurricane, you need generators and you need lights. And we've got both. So we're putting things like video surveillance and Wi-Fi and all kinds of things. But we've got like turtle-friendly lighting.
Oh,
so
nice.
We've developed lighting for NASA here in Cocoa Beach. Lots of different options for the lighting.
And this is just some of the technology. I mean, I only walked in a 5 square area, and look at what we heard about. So this is why it's so exciting to come down here today. By the way, this is open until 6 o'clock today. And then beyond that, private people can come here, private contractors can come here for $100. But if you're with a government or federal government or local government agency, you can get in for free if you show your valid ID. Same with nonprofits. Reporting live from downtown, Sandra Shaw, WPVF 25 News.
We are not welcome. Professionals only.
Basically. Well, if you're a meteorologist and a big one like Mike, then you are, and you're part of it.
Yes, he is our severe weather expert, and he is going to be there taking part of this panel discussion that they're going to have this week. It's actually tomorrow. He's discussing forecast uncertainty and the public's expectations.
Looking forward to that indeed.